Blowing balloons manually is exhausting. Your lungs hurt, your head spins, and decorating at home takes forever. For my son's birthday, we wanted big decorations at home, lots of balloons, and no outside help. So we picked up this electric balloon pump from Amazon. It cost us around Rs 700, even though the box MRP says Rs 2000. Inside the box, you get the balloon pump, an instruction manual, 2 threaded nozzle tips. The pump is bubblegum pink and blue, very colorful, very kid-friendly. It's compact, lightweight, completely plastic, but the build feels solid. There's a strong handle on top, which is easy to carry around. You get a manual switch for continuous air, a press-activated nozzle, and an additional fixed air outlet. There are 2 storage slots for nozzle tips, and a hidden compartment that neatly stores the power cable. Cable management is honestly well thought out. Once you switch it on, it's loud. No surprise there. But the air pressure is strong, very strong. I was nervous the first time. Tried it on just one balloon. Quick press, balloon inflated in seconds. No effort, no dizziness. Then I tried both nozzles together. One balloon on the fixed outlet, one on the press nozzle. Press down, both balloons inflate at the same time. That's when it clicked. Earlier, we used to blow balloons manually. It took ages and we would be exhausted before decoration even started. With this pump, we finished all the decorations quickly and didn't depend on anyone else. If you decorate birthdays at home, like doing things yourself, host parties or small events, or even work as a decorator, this is a must-have. It saves time, saves energy, and makes home decorations stress-free.